Good afternoon, folks. Today we are on our way to go see a new project. It's called Kempinski Residences in Dubai Creek in Al Jadaf area. So we're going to go and do snagging for one of the units that our investors have bought there. It's an ultra luxury project with 285 units, branded Kempinski Residences with upscale amenities such as private cinemas and 150,000 plus square foot common area. What's even more interesting is that this video is currently being shot on my new Meta AI sunglasses, which are pretty cool, by the way. So I'm going to show you the project. I'm going to take you through the snagging, and I'm going to shoot it all on these glasses. So hope you enjoy and stick around. And yeah, excited about this. So I'm in the lobbyway of the Kempinski Residences. I'm going to check out one of our units, unit number 104, which is a one bedroom, about 1200 square foot in size. So as soon as we enter, we've got the powder room on the left. Quite like the finishing, light color, soft touches, and you've got the whole living space over here. It's a pretty large space, about 1200 square foot in size. Living space for your telly over here. Entire seating, breakfast countertop, dining area, sitting area around here, and open kitchen concept. Very nice granite and marble top. There's a separate area for laundry. Separate area for laundry room. We've got the fridge and the freezer in there. Down there is the freezer. That's where the stove is. A lot of storage space, so a lot of cabinets. We've got space for oven, for microwave, and for a dishwasher right there. And they're all controlled by these three buttons over here. So the sink has a feature of getting it extended. Yeah, pretty nice kitchen. Nice open top, so you can create a breakfast countertop area over here, create a small dining area over there, sofa lounge area over there for the television, and perhaps another area for maybe some kind of display. So the balcony runs throughout the apartment from the living to the bedroom, and it's got two access. One of them is this door, and you've got another balcony door over there. So the project is overlooking. There's potentially going to be a park on that side. A lot of development happening within this area, especially after it was converted to freehold. So in the future, we're going to expect a lot of activity around this area, but we're expecting a park right there as per the master plan. Then we enter the bedroom area. Again, nice, spacious. So this apartment, and like all residences in Kempinski, are going to be fully furnished. So furniture is not yet placed, but they're all going to come fully furnished. So again, you've got a cabinet, small cabinet area, space for your television. And one thing that you'll notice in this property is a lot of switchboards, right? So what's interesting is you've also got a separate switchboard for UAE switches. You've got a separate switchboard for Europe switches. Now that's pretty unique. They don't normally do that anywhere. So you've got a lot of switchboards in this area, and you've got a lot of buttons controlling a bunch of lights. I love that. That controls these three lights, that controls those two lights, and that controls the balcony lights. Anyway, you've got another access into the balcony. I think that's something for the engineers, so ignore that noise. So a lot of cabinet space, nice, a lot of storage area. Good wardrobe space, and look at this bathroom. The master bathroom is incredible. Thanks. This is Lloyd. Lloyd is the one who's helping us throughout all the snagging and everything for the entire tower. So thanks, Lloyd. Yes. Enjoy your time over here. Hey guys, so I think that was an interesting site visit. Right at the end of it, their fire test alarm started going off. So obviously I could not end the entire video, but looking at the apartment, looking at the layout and the finishing that they're introducing into this particular project, I think it's quite interesting. It's a great end user product, also great for investors to buy and keep it for holiday homes. So although the project is completely sold out, there are a bunch of units available on resale. There are about 10 to 12 units on resale, from one bedroom to two bedroom units. So if anyone's interested in exploring more about this project, please do get in touch with us at RiseUp, and we'll be able to share with you the inventory that we have. And I think one of the other advantages of this project is the fact that you get Kempinski Titanium tier membership, if I'm not mistaken. And also once the property is ready, the Units are going to be managed by Kempinski, so they're going to have a revenue share agreement between the owner and Kempinski, wherein they'll take care of all the rentals for short-term and holiday homes, and they'll pay out a fixed income out of it. It's going to be a revenue share kind of an agreement. The exact details of it are not out as yet, but I think after seeing the snagging and doing the inspection today, I would imagine that the actual handover where the residents can move in will probably take place between October to November. So I think season would start by the end of this year, right? So by October the season would kick in, and that would be a good time to get the units on short-term rental or holiday homes. So yeah, if anyone's interested in it, please do get in touch with us. I think very nice area, excellent product, great amenities, great proximity to the creek, and it's like a wellness resort. So thank you for watching, appreciate it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see more of these, and also drop in your comments. What do you think about the video being taken over Meta AI glasses? Is this better, or is it better to take it through iPhone? Thank you.